How's it going, bud?
How are you?
I'm Donald.
Charlie, nice to meet you.
What's going on with the van today?
It looks like it's probably a fuel pump thing. It's just not. It'll turn over and they'll just kind of die out. So.
Let's see keys to it.
Go for it. Let me see if it's unlocked. Yes, it is.
Dude, this got the old original cell phone in it.
Yes, it does.
Wrong keys, bud.
No, that should be it. It's just kind of it's a pain in the ass to get in there sometimes.
Oh, there you go. They want to force the wrong key in that freaking thing. We'd be in some serious trouble.
Yeah, I already had one ignition issue where the key locked up and it wouldn't turn off a month ago. So.
I'd rather you guys drive your van than me tow it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'll save you money, you know. If you got to tow it, that means somebody's got to fix it. It means you're paying money.
Yeah.
Well, even if it started, we were still going to take it to Gary's place to have him look at it.
That's not even trying. Not even trying. Well, it looks like you guys want to go to 12804 Locust.
Yeah. And really the easiest way, this is down Warnell Road to Woodbridge, which is like a, subdivision.
Right.
We're gonna take a left into there, and then we're gonna take a left by the the clubhouse. By the clubhouse. I mean, I'm happy to go, to have you follow me, but
I was gonna say, yeah. Why don't you just wait a minute? I'll just follow you down there.
it's the easiest.
Do me a favor, hon. Sign your life away.
Yeah.
It don't matter. Anybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming out. Were you very far away?
Where was I? No, actually, I was about 5 miles, 10 miles from here, something like that.
That's great.
Wasn't too far away. All right. Watch yourself. I'm gonna put it in neutral and let it roll.
I'm gonna run and grab my phone.
Oh, yeah.
done it.
I was hoping you wasn't going to hit the front of the truck, you know. Hon, it was so nice to meet you.
Oh, thank you.
Donald.
Thank you so very, very
Thank
much.
you, bud.
Yep, thank you.
You guys have a good day. Hopefully he gets that fixed pretty easy for him.
Yeah, I'm hoping so too.
But he come flying off and he wasn't turning it fast. I'm like, oh, please don't take out the front of his van, you know.
Yeah.